Alright, so in this video I'll basically be testing my full smoke detector collection. I got tons of them. Look at this. I've got plenty of them. I got a lot now. I actually have a ton. So, yeah, so I'll just be testing the ones that work. Those 3 down there are dead, so... Well, I don't know if that one's probably not dead. I don't have the wiring harness with it, so I'll probably never be able to test it, but I'll just test ones that work. So here we go. SA31B. Yep. SA320CN. Okay, and P9050. Family Guard FG200. First Alert SA150B. 9120. I-12060A. Yep. Come on. Yeah, this one here I can't test at the moment because you have to screw it into a light socket. Family Guard FG8 or 83R. Okay. Here's the First Alert. I always forget the model number of this thing. It is PC900V. So, yeah. Smoke and seal, and it's extremely loud.
Testing. Warning. Evacuate. Smoke in. Utility room. Evacuate.
That's carbon monoxide.
Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in. Utility room. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
Okay. Now we got the Sears one. Yeah, it just has a continuous horn. Yep. We have 2 Firex I4618As. And okay. Here we have my First Alert 7010B. P12040. Um 0918. Yeah. This is my PI9010. Come on. Yeah, that one takes a while. I gotta go put batteries in the rest of these. Okay, here we go. 0914. Okay. Gotta get a screwdriver to test this next one. I'm not gonna test this one because I lost the battery for it. I'll test this one. This one still has a battery. Okay. Yeah, I found these in someone's garage. I got this, Kidda, I-9070. Here goes. Yeah, this universal thing. Yeah, it beeps pretty slow for some reason. I have a Kidda P9040. And the first store, SA303. Yeah, and the SA304 I have is up on my ceiling temporarily. I'm probably not going to get it back for like the next couple of years because like, yeah, and these three here are broken. Well, I can't test them. These two are broken. Well, these two are not broken. This one here is broken, but this one has some battery connection issue with it. And this one's chirping. And this Firex FX1014, again, it doesn't come with the wire harness. And it has no battery backup, so, yeah, I found it in some lady's garage. Just like, that other one, wherever it is, those two. It wasn't the same lady, though, but, yeah, this one's a Firex FADC. Yeah, and this is the same kind they have in my house. So I might get some of the ones in my house, maybe. I might sell the wire. I might sell, like, some of them on eBay. So, yeah. So, that's about it.